Welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how you can assign money in a future month. Now, if you watched any of my other episodes, you know I talked about how you can assign money in the current month you're at, and you can also use a future month holding tank for any future months. But let's say you've already fully funded this month. You can also fund next month by just going to that month and clicking on underfunded, or if you don't have enough money, you can still click underfunded and it will parse it out to different ones that it thinks that needs it first based upon certain criteria when you have set your goals for each category. Now, if you notice here, I went to February, but I can't go any further. I can't go to March. But there's a caveat to that. YNAB sees no reason for you to go to March if you don't have enough money to fund this. Okay? And what I mean by that is, as you see, it gives you this month to do and also the next month to do. Well, I have enough money to fully fund this amount. See, ready to assign is $8,000. Underfunded is $4,900. So I could go ahead and fund this. And once I do that, now you see that March is now open up because it says, hey, you fully funded that. So now we'll let you go ahead and start funding March if you have enough money to do so. So I do. So now all I do is click on that fast forward button. And I don't have exactly enough, but I can fund some of it. Now, sometimes what I do is I go to bare necessities and I fund it first. So I have all my bare necessities covered, and then everything else that's kind of things that if I lost my job, I would probably sacrifice, right? And then I'll fund those later. But in this situation, I'm just going to go to bare necessities. As you see, the underfunded amount's only $4,167. I don't have enough, but when I click on underfunded, it will parse it out based upon my goals that I set for each category. And just like that, I have now funded February and March. So I hope this episode was helpful for y'all. And if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.